Introducing the Orion Pro 450 watts VEG, engineered exclusively for the veg stage. Just 2.2 inches thin, foldable design. Made for tight vertical spaces. Independent UV, far red, and veg spectrum channels. Precise control at every growth phase, from stronger roots to wider leaves. The spectrum is tuned for explosive veg growth. Dial it manually or go smart. Orion Pro 450 watts VEG works seamlessly with the LuxMind controller. Metal surface heat dissipation structure. Nanolux Orion Pro 450 watts VEG